Hello guys, this video I'm going to show you how to create a new profile in the Facebook app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Facebook app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we have to go into the top right corner and tap on the three lines. Then under the menu sign, there is a plus icon, create new profile or page. We tap on this, then we tap on personal profile, and then we tap on next. And here we have a guide that shows us how we can create another profile, presumably for the same email address. And then we just have to continue these steps, tap on get started. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.